Hello again, it's Joey John Maguire, a little tired today, don't know why. Stress, I think. Started off a really grizzly day, but the sun's got out. And we're midway between Christmas and New Year. I'm in Office 1, the Oyster Rooms up above Fulham Broadway Underground Station, up the escalator, right in front of you, first floor. Good pub. As are all Wetherspoon's pubs. Well, nearly all. I'm about to recite my latest poem, done in the early hours of this morning. It's called Nature's Joy. An Arctic wind brings biting frosts, its jowls as bellows blow the coldest winds in from the north, which drive the blizzard snow. At night Jack Frost he tiptoes light to form a crystal frieze, his ballerina pirouettes played out on autumn breeze. Siberian bear he grumbles loud, he rides the black clouds low, brings the thunderous lightning strikes, the cold sleet after snow. Our lakes freeze still in silent sleep, our world an icy chill. We hibernate, though may not sleep, as winter has its fill. From Indies on the ocean swell, the Gulf Stream gives a sneeze. The coming of an early spring is marked by budding leaves. Though short, the summer brings relief, as spiraling temperatures soar. How quickly do we all forget, being frozen to the core. Then blink we do as blink we must, long days become long nights. The leaves begin to fall again, the sun not quite so bright. Year in, year out, 4 seasons pass, we live, we die, renew. Eternal life is nature's joy, but man must pay his dues. An autumn breeze, a winter's tale, a joyous spring anew, a lazy summer languishing, as we all cast off the blues. See how that went, eh? Joey John Maguire.